Today I'm going to show you how to make this travel intro in Canva. Go to videos and open new video project. After uploading your images, drag them to the timeline one by one. Set image as a background. The second one. Add transition. Slide. Make 1 second. Apply between all pages. Click on the first page and go to timing and make 3 seconds. Make additional page. Make something randomly. Download as video. Upload the video. And go to the same pages and type the name of the places. Let's start with this one. Change the font as you want. Change the white color and make the left shadow. Copy, paste, and delete the image. Paste. Share. Download. Download as GIF with transparent background. Upload the GIF image. And delete all these pages. Drag the video to the timeline and drag the image that you want to use. Edit photo and remove the background. And the last step, after uploading the GIF image, drag it to the timeline and resize it to fit the page and download. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.